Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Shortcuts and tapping the plus button to create a new shortcut. This gets you into the editor fast. Make sure you accept any permissions so actions can access apps. Now search for an action, for example, open app or get current date, and tap it to add. Once added, adjust the action's parameters right away. This prevents backtracking later and starts the flow you'll expand in the next steps. Now you expand the shortcut by chaining actions. Add scripting actions like if, repeat, or set variable to control flow. Use variables to pass data between steps so one action can use the previous result. This is why outputs matter. If you need web data, add getContents of URL and configure method and headers. Once done with a small section, press play to test. Iterating small changes is faster than debugging a long chain all at once. Finish by naming the shortcut, selecting an icon, and deciding how you'll run it from the Shortcuts app, home screen, widget, Siri, or automation. Make sure inputs match expected types. If an action expects text, supply text, not a number. Once saved, run the whole shortcut and confirm each step behaves as intended. If something breaks, isolate the failing action, verify permissions, and run that action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.